make you friends. That is, I hope we're friends.
Give me an A! Give me an R! Give me a Y! What does it spell? What does it spell? What does it spell? What does it spell?
I'll go talk to him.
Higher demand, flat supply. We can't drill our way out of the problem. So now's the time for us to make investments in solar, wind, biodiesel, making our cars more fuel efficient, making
We turn out every person we know for Hillary Rodham Clinton. That's what we must do.
It's history in the making. To me, this is very important. It's history in the making. The first ever black president. First ever. With such a presence of command change. I mean, who said it better? You can unify a whole nation just by the sound of his voice. It's like being authoritative without being dominant at the same time. You understand?
But also because of her time in the Senate and the unique composition that those two experiences give her.
Doors of college to all Americans. If we do the things we ought to do, I think you will have more prosperity, more broadly shared in America when she is president than you did when I was there. I agree with my daughter.
Now, I'm a member of no organized political party. I'm a Democrat. You know, both parties have their good times and their bad times, you know. Good when they're out, bad when they're in.
To Chelsea and Bill for their tireless work in this campaign, but it's really not so much about me. It's about our country and what we will do together.
This here is the cowboy wedding ring. So I reckon that's the divorce.